Alright everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today, we're tackling a question many of you have been asking: how to watch European Netflix on your Mac. It's easier than you think, so let's get started. First things first, you'll need a VPN. A VPN will let you appear as if you're browsing from another country. To get one, open your web browser and search for a VPN. For this tutorial, we'll be using IPVanish. You can find a link to IPVanish in the description below or in the pinned comment. Using that link will also get you a sweet discount. Now to download IPVanish, hover over Apps in the top navigation bar on their website and click on the Mac option. On the Mac download page, simply click Download App. Choose where you want to save the installer. I'm putting it on my desktop for easy access. Once the installer is downloaded, open it up. You'll see the IPVanish logo. Drag and drop that logo into your Applications folder. This might take a minute or two depending on your Mac speed. Great. Now that IPVanish is installed, close the installer. You can even delete the installer file from your desktop if you want to clean things up. Next, we need to open IPVanish. I'm going to use Launchpad. Because it's the first time you're opening it, you'll get a prompt asking if you're sure. Click Open. Okay. Now you're at the IPVanish login screen. Enter your account details and log in. If you don't have an IPVanish account yet, remember to use the link in the description. It'll get you a big discount. When you log in for the first time, you'll be asked to create a VPN configuration. Click Allow. And just like that, you're ready to start using the VPN. But remember, we want to watch European Netflix. Open your web browser, head over to Netflix, sign into your account, and choose a profile. I found this works more reliably on Chrome than Safari, so that's what I'm using today.
Now, minimize your web browser and open IPVanish.
Click on Locations in the left-hand side menu. You'll see a list of servers from around the world. Choose a European server. For this example, I'm going to connect to a German server. Find it, select it, and after a few seconds, you'll be successfully connected. Your Mac will now think it's browsing the internet from Germany.
Minimize IPVanish and go back to your web browser.
Now, refresh the Netflix page. After a few seconds, the page will refresh, and you'll be browsing the German version of Netflix. If I scroll down, you can see it says, Top 10 TV Programs in Germany Today. All that's left to do is select the show or movie you want to watch, and you can start streaming just like normal. And that's it. Remember to use the link in the description or pinned comment to get your exclusive discount on IPVanish. If this video was helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech tips and tricks.